Bellwether is the expert team for high-quality siding and window replacement around South Metro Denver, including Littleton and Highlands Ranch. We have been designing beautiful home exteriors that include the best in hardening and protection since 2017. South Metro Denver is known for its beautiful subdivisions and established neighborhoods. Areas like Highlands Ranch are built up cohesively with family life and the best of Colorado living in mind. And in the Littleton community, where rural life and family life meet at the foothills, style and home exterior protection are equally important. All of these South Metro Denver neighborhoods are rich in the design versatility that makes Colorado special. And all of these homes are exposed to the Colorado climate elements that take a toll on home siding. The good news is Bellwether has been expertly combining high style and high quality protection for years, and we help our customers safeguard their homes and achieve their design goals at the same time. Whether your Highlands Ranch neighborhood calls for a classic lap siding or your dream home looks more like a modern farmhouse, James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding can match this look for you. If your Littleton property includes rustic, foothills-inspired elements and mountain charm, James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding can match this look too. Pressed in a factory-controlled setting to mimic the grain of wood, this composite siding material made from cement and cellulose fibers is completely versatile and can be crafted into the style of your dreams. Bellwether installs James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding in a number of different siding profiles. Not to mention, with Color Plus technology, there are more than 700 warranty-backed colors to choose from, making your dream home design a very real possibility. Our sales team can work on your home design in real time using Hover to curate 3D renderings of your home that will showcase any iteration of siding replacement, allowing you to make an informed decision about what works best for your home. James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding is as resilient as it is versatile, because style is important, but in South Metro Denver, protection and fire hardening are especially important for homeowners. Littleton homeowners are at high risk during wildfire season with dry grasses and trees on the foothills nearby. James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding is the first step, and its Grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. We also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows which add fire protection. But the fire risk isn't all you need to protect your home from. All South Metro Denver communities are exposed to harsh weather elements, and homeowners in Highlands Ranch and Littleton need the best home exterior protection. James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding is guaranteed with a lifetime warranty, but even better, it's low maintenance. That means you can live your active Colorado lifestyle without giving up time and money to your siding maintenance. James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding will never split, crack, peel, or fade, not even exposed to the consistent baking sun, snow, and ice, or high winds that sweep across Metro Denver, Highlands Ranch, and Littleton. We have been working in the South Metro Denver area for years and have many satisfied customers in Highlands Ranch and Littleton. Our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of the way. After an initial assessment, we provide our customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your South Metro Denver home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of South Metro Denver homes might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream South Metro Denver home, and this includes protection and beauty. It's important for Denver residents and South Metro communities to choose quality siding products that will stand up to changeable and intense Colorado weather and achieve their design goals. When you work with Bellwether to renovate your home exterior in Highlands Ranch, Littleton, or anywhere in South Metro Denver, you're choosing an expert team of locals who are committed to work with you to build the home of your dreams that will last a lifetime.